Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word synchronized. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The dance team performed a perfectly synchronized routine at the competition. Synchronized in this sentence means that the members of the dance team moved and performed their routine in perfect harmony and unity, with precise timing and coordination. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.